Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Ali, prayer time.
Just 5 more minutes.
Do you know Imam Hussein prayed even on the day of Ashura, when arrows were falling?
Imam Hussein teaches us discipline even when life feels busy or easy. Ali quietly gets up for prayer.
Your face looks so weird.
Karbala was not about numbers. It was about standing with the right side.
That's not okay. Leave him alone.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Hey, I know the answers. Do you want to see?
Imam Hussein taught that success without honesty is failure.
No thanks. I'll do it myself.
I forgot my snacks.
Imam Hussein shared even when he had little.
Karbala teaches us generosity, not just in wealth but in care.
Whoa.
You always ruin things.
Imam Hussein showed patience, even when surrounded by cruelty.
It's okay. Just be careful next time.
Imam Hussein once said,
I did not rise for power. I rose to reform the ummah of my grandfather.
he chose truth over safety, justice over silence.
Imam Hussein had a choice: stay silent and live comfortably, or speak the truth and sacrifice everything.
So, what does that mean for us?
It means every day we choose truth or convenience.
I can't go to Karbala, but I can live like Imam Hussein wanted me to.
Imam Hussein didn't just change history, he shapes hearts.